your friends. 走学，看朋友。It was the first day of first grade at the Language Immersion School in Los Angeles, where classes were taught in both Mandarin Chinese and English. Ethan was the first student to arrive. 故事发生在洛杉矶的一个中英双语小学。开学第一天，伊桑是一年级第一个到校的学生。His parents kissed and hugged him goodbye and wished him good luck on his first day. 伊桑的父母离开时和他拥抱亲吻，爸爸妈妈祝伊桑第一天交好运。He could feel his heart racing in excitement. 伊桑兴奋地可以感觉到自己的心跳加速。He couldn't wait to make new friends. 他迫切地期望交到新朋友。He walked over to a table of building blocks and started making a skyscraper. 他走到一个有积木的桌子旁，开始造一座摩天大楼。Minutes later, Dean entered, holding his mom's hand. 几分钟后，迪恩牵着妈妈的手进来了。He could feel his heart racing in nervousness. 他紧张的可以感觉到心跳加速。Dean saw a boy playing alone with his favorite building blocks and approached him. 迪恩看到一个小朋友独自在玩自己喜欢的积木，就走近他。Do you want to play with me? The boy asked. My name is Ethan. 男孩说，我叫伊桑，你要和我一起玩吗？ Okay, my name is Dean. 好的，我叫迪恩。Dean pointed to the space shuttle on Ethan's shirt. Do you like space shuttles? 迪恩指着伊桑衬衫上的航天飞机说，你喜欢航天飞机吗？ Yeah, I do. Want to make a rocket launcher? 是的，我喜欢。要做一个火箭发射台吗？ Sure. 好吧。After all students arrived, the teachers asked the kids to sit down at their assigned desks. 所有学生都到校了，老师让小朋友们坐在他们指定的座位。Ethan and Dean discovered they were seated next to each other. 伊桑和蒂恩发现他们正好坐在彼此的旁边。For lunch, they ate sandwiches and carrots. 他们吃的午餐是三明治和胡萝卜。The teachers told the students, "Don't forget to eat your carrots. They're good for your eyes." 老师对学生们说，不要忘记吃胡萝卜，它对你们的眼睛好。Dean and Ethan turned to each other and said, "That's what my mom says." Laughing at the coincidence, the boys finished their lunch and ran outside to play in the sandbags. 迪恩和伊桑转向彼此说，我妈妈也是这样说的。他们俩同时都笑了。两个小男孩吃完了午餐，就跑到户外去玩沙箱。